The Ukrainian 225th Brigade destroyed Russian assault troops' hideout on the front line. An attempt by Russian forces to covertly mass personnel for a renewed assault ended in failure after Ukrainian artillery struck a fortified position with precision fire, according to EU military FOD and statements from the 225th Separate Assault Brigade. The incident unfolded when a group of Russian assault troops, burdened with heavy backpacks and substantial ammunition supplies, sought temporary shelter in a prominent building rather than continuing a longer approach march. The decision, reportedly driven by physical exhaustion, proved costly. Instead of providing protection, the conspicuous structure drew the attention of Ukrainian forces monitoring the area. Artillerymen from the Hrim battalion of the 225th SAB observed the enemy's movements and waited until a significant number of troops had gathered inside the building. Once the concentration was confirmed, Ukrainian artillery delivered a direct strike with a 155mm shell. The impact caused extensive destruction, turning the structure into a lethal trap for those inside. According to the brigade, several soldiers attempted to escape the ruins following the strike. These remnants were subsequently detected and engaged by troops of the 3rd Assault Battalion of the 225th SAB, working in coordination with other units of Ukraine's defense forces. The engagement concluded with the complete neutralization of the group. Military officials involved in the operation noted that the incident reflects a recurring tactical error by Russian forces. The use of obvious landmarks for troop concentration, they say, often results from fatigue and insufficient command and control at the ground level, leaving units vulnerable to surveillance and precision strikes. The operation underscores the continued role of coordinated reconnaissance, artillery, and infantry actions in disrupting enemy assault preparations and highlights the risks of predictable positioning in modern, high-intensity warfare. In the Pokrovsk region, Ukraine's 425th Assault Regiment Skelia has showcased the operational effectiveness FPV drones in modern urban combat. On 1 February, the regiment released video footage documenting a combat operation in which FPV drones were used to target Russian infantry units operating in the area. According to information provided by the regiment, the footage captures a series of drone strikes against enemy soldiers attempting to evade detection and seek cover among urban structures and natural obstacles.
That just landed in my head.
The video shows Russian personnel moving unpredictably after realizing they were being tracked, frequently changing positions in an effort to avoid incoming strikes. In one segment of the footage, a Russian soldier is seen retreating into a dugout after detecting the approaching drone. An initial explosion ignites the shelter, setting it on fire. Despite the attempted concealment, the drone continues its engagement, striking the designated target with precision. Military sources note that the confined environment offered limited protection once the drone had identified the position. Additional scenes depict Russian soldiers attempting to use trees and terrain features as cover. These individuals are shown changing direction multiple times in response to the threat. FPV drones maintain pursuit throughout these maneuvers, ultimately delivering targeted strikes despite the evasive actions. The 425th Assault Regiment emphasized that the operation highlights the growing role of FPV drones in urban warfare. According to the unit, such systems enable rapid reconnaissance, real-time target tracking, and precise engagement, even in complex environments where traditional weapons may be less effective. Military analysts have noted that FPV drones are increasingly shaping battlefield tactics due to their relatively low cost, flexibility, and ability to operate in dense urban settings. The Pokrovsk operation, as presented by the Skelia Regiment, illustrates how these platforms can be used not only for surveillance but also as direct strike assets against infantry forces. The released footage forms part of a broader trend in the conflict, where unmanned aerial systems are playing an expanding role in both offensive and defensive operations. Meanwhile, Ukrainian defense forces continue intense combat operations in the Pokrovsk agglomeration, demonstrating a high level of coordination between units as pressure from Russian forces increases across the sector. Soldiers of the 7th Corps of the Airborne Assault Forces, operating in cooperation with the 1st Corps of the National Guard of Ukraine, Azov, successfully neutralized a group of Russian occupiers attempting to establish a foothold in the village of Hrim. According to military sources, the enemy is currently intensifying pressure on the northern outskirts of Myrna-Rad, concentrating light equipment and manpower in preparation for assault actions. In parallel, Russian units attempted a covert maneuver into Hrim, relying on poor weather conditions and the element of surprise to evade detection. Despite these conditions, Ukrainian defenders detected the infiltrating group in time. Published footage captures the moment the enemy was discovered and subsequently destroyed. Through coordinated action by AF paratroopers and Azov fighters, the Russian group was eliminated before it could consolidate positions or advance further into the settlement. The military notes that Russian forces frequently exploit periods of bad weather in hopes of reducing the effectiveness of Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance. However, the continued cooperation between the airborne assault forces and the National Guard has proven effective in countering such tactics. Ukrainian commanders emphasize that any attempts by the occupiers to advance within the Pokrovsk agglomeration are being met with decisive resistance and result only in further losses for the attacking forces.